Hey everyone! Today I'm going to participate in the first round of this season of Meta Hacker Cup. So this is the first mandatory round if I want to proceed to the next stages. The previous one, the practice round, was not necessary to participate in. Although in the AI track there was very few participants, so yeah, I don't know if this indicates anything. Okay, so here, yeah, we want to find such a number C that C times I is within this interval for every I. Let's just do this, right? This is kind of... So first we can find the minimal such I that this is always at least AI, and then check that it is always, it must be I. Second, we can just intersect all the segments right away, but I don't want to do it because I suddenly care about precision. Okay, so I want to be really sure. Of course I can use long double, and this will probably be enough because it's the difference between two fractions of with these denominators is at most, either 0 or at least 10 to the minus 12th. But oh yeah, we divide by this, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, but I want to use rationals just to be sure. I don't want to, okay. Num equals 0, so num equals 1. We want to remax by max with AI first over I plus 1. Oops. So yes, since this is a problem with discrete answer, I cannot just say, oh okay, they allow me to be mistaken by this. Okay, if the minimum constant speed, okay, yeah, they even provided the diagram. Why is it minimal? Ah, I completely misunderstood the objective. Okay. Yeah, anyway, what? Okay, I guess I just do this. Yeah, of course. Yeah, this is never the case when this is 0. 0 0.3, 1.5, minus 1, 0 0.5. Okay, I'm ready. Download validation input. Yes, downloaded. Move input here. It is a valid text file. Yeah, I don't even want to compile in release mode. This is a big file, so I don't want to unpack it. I mean, open it in a text editor. Okay, get password and start timer. Unpack. Okay, but this is not a conventional text editor. Also, this is a short file. A lot of -1s actually. I'm not really sure if this should be the case. Okay, I just hope. Okay, now the hardest part is not to forget to save the files. Prime subtractorization. Difference of two primes. Ah, okay. Ah, a prime number is this. Okay, so basically a prime number must be a difference of two other prime numbers, which means that either it is 2 and 10 is at least 5, or it is odd and p plus 2 is prime. N is up to okay, I will just use my library here. I can straight up just use count primes, but I don't know how to implement it, so sieve of n dot second. Okay. And now I want to calculate the number of odd primes so that wait, what do I want? Okay, if this, then 2 is okay. Otherwise, no, not lower bound, upper bound. Up to n minus 2 minus siblings begin. Right? Okay. I'm sorry, that was my bad. Two and 3. Okay, I actually want okay, 1 no, 2 no, 3 no, 4 no, 5, 2 and 3, 6, 2 and 3, 7 also 5, 8 nothing changes, 9 not 7, just the same 3. Okay. Okay, validate, download validation input. Okay. Nice. Let's begin. Okay, a bunch of numbers. Don't really know what I'm looking for here. Okay, problem C. No, this is not the case for me. With equal likelihood. Aha, okay. Okay, what do you mean by this? On any day where gaining 1 unit of weight would violate this constraint, you will guarantee. Okay. On average. Okay. Nice. More mathematical problems. Also, the constraints are so that I need to come up with an analytic solution. Let's think. So this is just a standard case of random walk. We can actually reflect something. So we start at W. We want to achieve G. We would also, without this violation, be okay with achieving not G but W plus L times 2 minus G. Okay. And this is kind of an well-known problem. So the problem now is we have a segment from 0 to n. We start at point A. How much on average until we fall to 0 or n? And the answer is yeah, the answer is a times n minus a, if I remember correctly, right? I will just believe my memory. I don't have to, but this is the easiest. W G L so we start with W. Okay, this should not overflow. Like this, right? Probably no. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see. No. That's because W plus L is not. Yeah. Okay, L is like this, right? No. I need to think then. It actually says that once we reach W plus L minus 1, we are guaranteed to go down from this point. But if we can go up with the same success, then this is kind of yeah, I don't understand why this doesn't work. Let me look at this case. We start with this. Yeah, why is the answer not? Exceed. No. Then this was correct. We cannot exceed, but we can weigh exactly this much. Okay, then what's wrong with my formula? Okay, let me think. 0, 1, 2, 3, for example. here 0, here b, okay, x, which is 1 plus x over 2 plus 0, so it is 2. Okay, and in this case okay, this is kind of we either want to reach 183 or 191, right? Because 187 is where we reflect against. So it's indeed 12, isn't it? So I claim that this is 0, 7, 12 and so on. 7 is 1 plus 0 over 2 plus 12 over 2. Then 15. 12 is 1 plus 7 over 2 plus 15 over 2. Okay. Here 0 days. Here I claim that it will be 7, 12, 15, 16. On average. 0, okay, self-explanatory. 7 is 1 plus 0 plus 6, okay, 12 is 1 plus 3.5 plus 7.5, 15 is 1 plus 6 plus 8, 16, we can only go down, so it's 1 plus 15. Maybe I need to refresh the page and their answer is incorrect. No. What the heck? Ah, I'm stupid. If your weight has ever been W units, not like the beginning, at the beginning. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, then this is just how much time do we need to reduce our weight by 1? Yeah, the answer is very stupid. This is still this, but it is times 2l minus 1, I believe. No, fuck. Plus 1. Huh. Yeah. So yes, this is a sum of this many independent random variables, each of which has this expectation because reasons. Validate solution, download validation input, move input here. Let's speed run this. Yeah, I forgot to unpack it. Sorry, I meant, yeah, okay. Okay, of course. Okay. Uncorrupt the string by replacing with a digit. The largest number of possible strings that it could decode into. Okay. Okay. What is this? Wow, even this. Okay, let's first think about what would provide the most ways to decode. I think if we replace every question mark by 1, it will provide the maximum number of blah blah blah. Okay, so if we have an uncorrupted string, how to calculate? Okay, it's clear how to calculate this. Basically, if a substring is doesn't start with 0, doesn't exceed 26, then it's fine. It's a valid DP transition. Yes, so okay. Can we replace a question mark with 0? Well, we can check. We just need need that either this doesn't split into anything or this. Okay. And then can we split it? Can we replace it with wait. Is every replacement independent? No, of course not. Of course it's not. But we can. Sorry, what is E? Okay. Encoded message. I mean, we can still do some DP. Like DP of prefix. No, DP of suffix. Wait. Using this DP, what will I do? I will go from left to right every time I encounter a question mark. I will need to understand if I replace it with this digit, then how many ways to replace everything else do I have, so that it produces the required number of ways. If I replace it, yes, I think I will need to calculate for each bar between digits, let's call it that, if it can be in any partition, then for each suffix and with a particular digit being at the beginning of the suffix, I will need to understand what the number of ways to do everything else is, and this can be easily found, I believe. Case largest, you mean case smallest? Okay, 1 produces that can basically do one zero two. No, we cannot. 1 1 2 we can. 1 2 2. What? So case largest is really not case smallest, but case largest, which would not change the solution at all. But yeah, I need to know, like, if I have this prefix which has this digit here, which may or may not be the first one here. Then what would be the number of ways, blah blah blah. Okay, let's just do something. Yeah, let's say just 11 0. Okay, dp of n, yeah, I don't know. What do I need? What do I want from this dp? Yeah, let's just call this. Probably 10 is okay, right? I don't know yet. No, 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 no. Wait. Okay, if we have this digit right before us, and I also want to know if this is supposed to be doable. t substar from I of length 2, sorry, from I minus 1 of length 2 is less, does not exceed 26. And by the way, this and yeah, I want to know if this is allowed to be 0. Yeah, no, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so doable is this and this and this, and fuck. Don't tell me that this can be accidentally 0. Yeah, okay. Like this. If t equals 0 and ref of I and sub of n minus I all equals false, if this awk equals false if doable. Scheiße. Not this. Yeah, this is what I want to put here. If doable, sorry, not doable, or this, then see, sorry, this, then gp, fuck, it's gp of I, and what digit we put here, no, digit we got from there, plus equals gp of I plus 1 d. Right, okay, I hope this should work. I hate this. I do not want to copy any part of my code. Okay, can I just say that this gp is how many ways to get the suffix there are if this is 0, if this is number z. I can, but I still have to find the transitions. Okay, fine. -1 from here, from where? Here. Okay, gosh. Well, doesn't work at all. Oh, this is bullshit. Hmm. Yeah, sorry. Let's say that like this. Should be true. Yeah, right. 202, of course. Okay, if this then continue, fuck you. Well, at least it worked on the first test, but why 4011? Sorry, what? Yeah, I can. No. If this is greater than 0, then we can. Okay. If it is at least 2, and this is greater than 0, this is at most 26. Yeah, my main complaint is about here, I believe. just in case I want to compile in release mode. Nice. Sorry, I blinked. Okay. Oh. Okay, imagine opening this in a text editor. Even here I had to cancel. Wildcard submissions. Try, I know what it is. What is Wikipedia. One string is inserted to a try. Blah blah blah. This is indeed the empty string, okay. Okay, sounds like a principle of inclusion exclusion. Honestly. Okay. So I need a union of some sets. Basically, yes, I need to count the number of distinct prefixes. If I have a subset of strings, how many prefixes? How many strings can be a prefix of all of them? Well, okay. This is easy to find. In each position we have either there are at least two distinct non-equal characters in these strings, or only question marks, or one. Well, okay. This is very easy, much more straightforward than the previous one. If I implement the stupidest, naivest solution, it will work in 2 to the nth times their length times their number, which is on average over 2. Times the number of tests. So yeah, this is quite a lot. Okay, maybe not so straightforward. I actually want to do what? Maybe I iterate first over length and then count the number of prefixes of this length. And now I kind of want to count the number of independent sets. Which, well, I can do in linear, in exponential time. Okay, so now what I suggest, 100 times, I don't know, something like this, plus 100 times, well, something like this, but it will be honestly much lower. Maybe like this. So yeah, I have faith. Let me think, by the way. Yeah, I thought I finished thinking. By the way, what? I don't... yes. I need... Yes, for each submask of strings, I want to know the number of common question marks, basically. Well, this is very doable. Very... not very... okay. This is doable with int 128, but this is... I need to think a little bit more. What would be nice is if we didn't have to multiply by 100, we could just do everything with masks. When we have a subset of strings, we kind of want to understand if we can add this one string to it. No, not if we can, but when we do this, what would be the earliest intersection? The earliest collision, I mean. Now I have a solution with some int 128 tricks. Ah, I can make it. Two to the power of 25. Yeah, no, I don't want to multiply by anything because 100 tests. Or I probably can. They would probably not include all maximal tests. But anyway, I want to think first. Honestly, the worst test for us would be if all the strings are mostly question marks. Okay, for a string, for a set of strings, I need to know the number of question marks in all of them. No, I need to know, first of all, I need to know when the first collision occurs. How can I do this? Just this subtask for every subset of strings do something. Ha! Yes, it's very easy. It is just minimum on a sub masks. Yes. Yes, so yes. This is doable in 25 times 2 to the 25, which is probably okay. I mean, it's not, but it's not. Okay, I want to apply some little trick. How many people have tried and failed this problem? Well, couple. Okay, this is how it looks when it's expired. This is basically the same. Okay, I believe, wait, who is at the second place? I believe that this times 2 to this power should still work. I hope at least. Or okay. I mean, it's 32 Well, over 2, okay. If I'm careful. But these are very light operations. 32 times 25. What is 32? Ah, yeah. Times 1 million times 100. Okay, 100 seconds maybe. In reality, much less. Then, when I calculated this, I now need to calculate for each subset of strings how many question marks are on their common area, like common question marks. And these are bit sets or bit. Yeah, and this I believe, to be honest, this should work pretty fast. Yeah, okay, so let's implement this. Forb, no thank you. Mm-hmm. This is not. No, yeah, this is okay. What do I miss? Am I missing this? Okay, now what do I need? I need some okay. Tx or an extended unsigned integer type. Int mask. This equal m int I. If I equals and then return. Let's start with self of self mask qm I plus 1. Then this qm and equals ones of I common of this mask. If this is 0, then just return. qm no, yes, no, yes. Do I have p? I erased it seemingly. Or I just didn't implement it at all, which is more likely. Plus equals p of count of QM, sorry, Q masks, of course, once CM times the count of mask is odd, then 1, otherwise -1. Mask is 0, this is once back, for example, I don't care. Start with 0. Okay. Huh. No matching function for call to pop count. Oh no. Yeah, not 2, definitely. Wait, what? Okay, I forgot to call self of self. This. This is even worse. Okay, they do not have question marks. They have wait a minute, I completely disregard the length of the common area. Fuck. Yeah, so I need to do this not only for this, but also for all. Fuck. Yeah, let's just begin with 1 because we will not separately handle empty stuff. And now I basically want that's so fucking insane. Count of trailing zeros. Give this, then see also I guess count R0 I need. Of X. Otherwise of this. Count of trailing zeros equals Q yes plus equals P of I times P of I times how many probably it needs to be wait no I don't care. P of I times Yep. C minus last, I believe. Plus I. Last equals C. Plus equals P of I times Cm minus last, or something like this. It's not this. It is f of qm and the one cm. Don't care. What do you mean? By the way, probably this. Fuck, it doesn't work here. Really? How doesn't it work? 1, 2 and 3. 2 and 3, yeah, that's correct. But I never add 26 squared for some reason. For some reason. Okay. I want to add 1 and 2. First. One is added. Three, 0, 2, 1, of course. So 0 plus equals something times 0 minus 0. Now I have this. Cm should be 2. Cm is 2. Ah, by the way, can it be the reason? Yes, I believe it can. So it would just fall into debug mode, of course. Okay, let's validate. To be clear, I believe that a lot of maximal tests could easily hang my solution. Oh wait. but I don't really know what to do. Yeah, a lot of big tests. Each of them is taking a lot of time. 25, 25, a lot of question marks. 25, 25, 25, 25. Okay, technically I have this much time. I have 400 seconds. I don't have 500 seconds, which it can easily be, as shown the last test. And I think all the other 85 tests or 8 tests will be just like this. Yeah, basically the same. Variance, like deviation of half a second, is kind of frightening. Also, I could probably play with my parallel template if I had one. The example of this problem. Okay, and how much does this procedure take? 1 second already. I don't know what to do then. I will hardly be able to peel that off. Although I can maybe pre-compute. can maybe pre-compute something here. Probably I cannot. This run again. I will compute a hash of the output, and then do I have more than 1 hour? Yes. So I mean, I will probably I'm probably okay to just run it now. It will run in under 6 minutes, but I want to optimize it, or at least try to optimize it a little bit more. Okay, so what do I do here? I can say that I do so the index of first one I multiply by 1 minus 26. The next one I multiply by 26 minus something else. Okay. I don't care about last anymore. I don't care about this. Rec of mask equals res. One. Yeah, vector mint. I still need this, I believe. Okay. Ah, right. Okay. This is because of screencast. I will just ignore it for now. Int low equals okay. Res plus equals brec of low times pw of I plus equals built-in pop count of low nope yes fuck yeah, I need to think here. I multiply this by c, but c must actually be okay. Right? Plus brec1 of low times this. And now res equals, so what it was before, p times cm, right? pw of I times cm minus res times 25. Okay. Yeah, it didn't help at all. It even made things worse. And I didn't save the previous version, fuck. I will have to undo. Okay, it didn't change the answer. What the fuck? Honestly, like, why? Okay, so ahead of me are like 6 minutes of chill. No. No, this will not pass. Okay, I mean, even this will not pass. Even this will not pass. Ah, wait. Yeah, no, I don't know. Really. You? Yeah, doesn't really matter. Although I didn't expect it to matter. Although it maybe does matter a little bit. I need to optimize a little bit more. I kind of have an idea, but yes, it does not matter. And this is fine, this should not matter. Yeah, I'm just thinking if running this in parallel would just make it twice as fast. Okay, this is actually, yeah, no, okay, this heavily depends on the pop count and stuff. But yeah, I mean, I can can I do something like okay, this saves a little bit of time. It should be enough for me, but I don't know how to finish the solution if I only need this. Like, I wanted to say that this something of question marks can probably be calculated somehow. But all other stuff could also be calculated somehow, but yeah, I'm probably missing some observation. Yeah, probably memory access is too slow, or it's just deviation. It's just but this is slow. By the way, I need to multiply by this, so nice. Minus G, Y, okay, minus bit thread. Semaphore. Okay, I don't mind. Sleep. Do I want to sleep? Yes, and defined reference, blah blah blah. Input data is vector of string. Output data is mint. Okay, how do I read data? Cin, nice. How do I print? Shown blah blah blah. Equals cout. $13. Yeah, is it better? 7 seconds. I don't believe in 7 seconds. I just want to use my stopwatch. No, not this. Again. Huh? Okay, 15 seconds. Which is honestly not that. Okay, it's actually better. Can I do something like this? Also, this animation is sick. It's because I'm not sleeping anymore. Okay, 2 seconds. Yeah, it's now 13 seconds. I mean, okay. Let's do this. Validate solution. Q.out. Okay, we can see the timer here in the bottom of the screen because my terminal is semi-transparent. Let's just hope. It's actually quite a good tendency that 1/5 of all the test cases has already finished. Although 1 minute has already passed, so should be good. I have written this template for CodeJam. There was this competition. When I was second or third, I think third year student in my university. Oh, half is already passed and it's been under 2 minutes. Yeah, so it's actually quite pleasant. I'm a little bit surprised that I can just use this code from that time and just run it right now and it works. Now it's a little bit harder to see the timer, but it is 3:35 now. For some reason, some tests in the middle are skipped. I'm not sure that I used some. I think I haven't used any heuristics of which order to execute the tests. A little bit annoying that this cursor is blinking, but I can live with that. Nice. Yeah, it was 200 seconds. It says 99. No, it says 3:08. Okay, this should be kind of close. Okay, it has a bunch of numbers again. I don't know what I expected to see here. Fuck you very much. On our end. Okay, just in case I will tell them what happened here. Okay, And now just in case, out of curiosity, let's see how much it takes it to run just the plain file. Okay. Let's see if we had a chance, if it was under 6 minutes. Yeah, anyway, I'm 19th. Everyone else, I think, came up with something better. Okay, did he start later? Yeah. 21, 25, 33, 152, 117. Oh, okay. Okay. Did he output none, or I don't know? Although E before D is a popular choice. Okay. Oh, 5 seconds. 6 seconds. I wonder if it's something I do while it runs. Yeah, it's kind of cheesy that I can just run it in several threads, although it's part of the format. Okay. I forgot to mention that when I refreshed, it was submitted. Yeah, there is no chance, I think. On average, it takes more than 4 seconds, which means that it will take more than 360 seconds. D is annoying. A, I'm curious how to do it better than naively running several threads. Hi. Almost there. I think about a minute remaining. Probably less than a minute. Yeah, using my parallel template was not a mistake. It was a wise decision from me. Mm-hmm. 6:34. Yeah. Yeah. I'm a little bit disappointed in myself for not solving it the proper way, but anyway, this is it. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the content, my colored output. Hehehe. Okay, bye.